Hi YouTube, this is the aftermath of the blizzard. This is how deep the snow is, oh my god. Look at that car. This is my friend's car over there. That's my friend's car there. I want to show you something. I'm not shoveling today, that's for sure. This is way too much to do. You need a snowblower. If you don't have a snowblower, you're screwed. Unless you have a ton of energy, which I don't really now. Because of my, well, I have the energy, but it's my back. I probably gotta dig this car out here. Still pretty windy. Look at this. I think they plowed the side street already. Ooh, slippery. This is the house, this is the business I was talking about. If you're in the Trenton area, you're welcome to do it. Look at that. Look how deep the snow is on the house. This is all the snow drifts. Look at the snow drifts. It's up to halfway up the door. It's 3 feet at minimum. Look at this. Oh, fuck. Gotta watch it. Too many plow, it's icy. Look at this. This is at least like 2 feet or more. Minimum. Damn. This is the store that I work at, the Quick Stop. That's where I get my lottery tickets too. Just around the corner from my house, you know. This is crazy, so if you're in the Trenton area and you watch this video, you are welcome to take this job because I can't do this. I really can't. You need at least like 3 or 4 people on this job. This is massive. And the snow is incredibly deep. So that's all there really is to say now. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.